how to access Google Photos from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can access Google Photos from other devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have Google Photos, you have backed up all the photos to your Google Photos account and you want to access these photos from other devices, well, it's very simple. First of all, what I want you to do is tap the profile icon from the top right. Go to the backup and make sure that you have enabled backup to make sure that you have ensured that you have backed up all of the photos to your Google Drive storage. What this does is that because the photos has been backed up to our Google account, no matter on which phone, tablet or laptop you log in your Google account with, you will still be able to find those photos that has been backed up to 15 gigabytes. So the thing that I'm telling you over here is that if you want to access your Google Photos from other devices, make sure you back up all of the photos to that particular account, and on the other device just log in that same Google account and automatically all of the Google Photos will get automatically shown, since they are not transferring to phone but they are transferring to your Drive storage, which is known as a cloud storage as well. Hope this video helped to clear the confusion as to how you can access Google Photos from other devices. Bottom line is that backup and log in on another device. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.